going to the release of this nice 4-pound bass. Can't measure him because my scale broke, but he's a nice one. He looks like a 4-pounder. Release him. Good release. Nice release. There he goes. Really nice fight, pull and drag on some tight drag, and caught him on a live bluegill, and just catching these little bluegills, trying to catch bigger bass. There's another bigger one with it, but someone got it. But it's alright, try to catch some more. He's about a 3.5, 4. I mean, the stomach he might be 4. Okay, here. Let's go for the release. Man, we just caught this bass on a worm this big. It's insane. There's like 4 more like 5-6 pounders just swimming around. Probably all went away. I had a 4-pounder before, but on this thing, a tiny little worm.
It's like the smallest one that was there.
Mm-hmm. There's another right-sized bass for you guys to catch another one. Guys, this is why I love this pond. Look at all these big bass just swimming around. I don't know if you see him. He's like right there. He's actually like a 4 or 5 pounder. Let's walk over this way. Show you some more. Wait, Michael, don't cast, don't cast. Don't scare him. There's 2 right there. There's one right there, the other one somewhere right there. Nice bass. Yeah, nice. Oh, he just ate a sunfish. He just ate a bluegill right in front of us. I don't know if you got that. He just ate a bluegill right in front of us. That's legit. They just left. I don't know if I got that on camera. Hopefully I did. But that was some sick stuff. Because they're just waiting here. These sunfish are in their beds right now. Just like guarding their little beds. The bass, 2 big bass, just like right outside of the beds. Wait until like they could take some bluegill. Just dominated that bluegill. This is why I love this pond, guys. Pond, well, lake, pond, pretty big. Guys, we're gonna try to see if we could get bass eating live sunfish. Film. Oh, he's right there. He's not looking at it. Well, I mean, he's looking at it. They're right there. Here, Thomas, hold it. Hold it at the bass. You see him?
I don't. Can barely see him over here.
He doesn't want it. He wants it close up to him. Oh, he's looking right at it. Thomas, look at it. Inch. Get the phone at it.
What?
He wants it. Actually, sort of doesn't. Surprised. I thought he would have ate it by now. Oh, shoot, guys. looking at it. He's looking at it. Big one.
Okay.
So, are you taking a video?
Yeah.
So I just hooked up to this nice bass. There's another one right beside it. Oh, put my drag a little down. He's a nice one. There's another bass beside it. Nice bass, another nice big bass.
Yeah,
There's a big one right behind him. Take a picture, touch it, take a picture. If you touch it. Oh, never mind, it's not this one. There's another bass swimming right beside him.
Where's the other bass?
I don't know, he just left somewhere. Here, Scoot.
It's a long fight.
Yeah. But
Like
I also put down my drag.
2 minutes.
Yeah, I also had to I also talked to my aunt. Oh, look at that, chunk.
Sick.
Look
It's like
at
5
that.
pounds. Almost.
He's about 5 pounds, 4.5.
Almost 4.5, yeah.
He's a fat chunk. You can see he'd be eating the sunfish. Also caught him on a live sunfish. And yeah, it's nice. It's fun catching him. So he wasn't biting on nothing. Well, I was trying to catch him for like the past 30 minutes on another bluegill. Wasn't biting. It was probably because it was like almost dead. As soon as I got a new bluegill, he just went crazy for it. He missed it the first time I was reeling it back. He just came out of nowhere, demolished it. And so, yeah, I waited like about almost a minute, set the hook, and nice bass. Nice 4.5, maybe even 5 pound bass. 4.5. He's not 5 pounds.
So good with this shoe. This my shoe smooth.
Nice big head. Can go. Guess he's gonna have to
36.
go with the hook because he's like gut hooked. So
But it'll rust probably. No, these are Gamakatsus.
they'll
They don't
still
rust. They still
Yes,
rust?
Yeah. After a long
Yeah.
time. Rust, but let me see.
That's nice.
The other bass sort of stopped feeding for a little. This was like the only one still at the bed. Just looking at the other bluegill. I'm just gonna cut the line, let him leave with the hook. Maybe I'll catch him in the future again. Hopefully a bigger size, because I know there could be some big bass in here. Some big bass in here. Definitely some 10 pounders, probably even bigger. Just my biggest one from here was a 6.5 pounder. And that's a sticker. No, it's not mine. I caught like 20 bass before that.
Here?
Yeah, some big sunfish too. Here, some big ones. Get to my foot. All right, it's probably one of our last bass. So if we get any more, keep on showing them to you. It's like 6:19. So when it's like 7 o'clock, we're supposed to leave. All right. So now we're doing the release of this nice 5 pounder, 4.5 back water. He's definitely bigger than the other two. Swimming out slowly. It's a fat one too, so he'll survive. So just caught this last probably bass of the day on a first like soft plastic bait that we caught a bass today. All of them were on live bluegill, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, one was on a
was-
tiny worm, like this big.
Oh yeah.
Probably a
that
little
was
bit smaller
first
than
one.
this.
Second
Last one, we were walking back, going to drive away. I was just walking back right now. Threw in a little soft plastic zoom worm, I think so it is. Green pumpkin with red flaked, and he just demolished it. I was like almost taking it out of the water. He like I felt some like weight. I thought I was just jerked a little hard, and it was nothing, just some weeds. And then he just came out of nowhere, hit it so hard. I thought my rod's gonna fly out of my hands, and then he was just swimming away with it. So I was like, I just jerked it. A nice, good hook set, right with the Gamakatsu hook. Now we're gonna release it, and yeah. Thanks for watching our video for today. Take a video. There he goes.